The introduction of this new line of post-operative knee braces represents a major market expansion for EBI. These products provide an excellent opportunity for you as an EBI sales representative to more deeply penetrate the lucrative sports medicine market. The domestic market for ACL products is comprised of three major product categories: post-op braces, cold therapy, and functional braces. These products combine to equal a total market value of $215 million. These numbers represent the market for direct sales to the surgeon or hospital. If the Medicare allowable amounts are applied to the same unit volume, the market increases dramatically. Sports medicine surgeons treat a full spectrum of athletes, from the young recreational player to the seasoned professional. The challenge facing the sports medicine surgeon is threefold: to return the patient to full functional activity while minimally impacting performance, to utilize the latest tools, techniques, and technology, to balance the cost versus benefit ratio for the full treatment cycle. In order to understand why and how post-op braces are used, it is important to have an understanding of ACL injuries and treatment. Let's first review the anatomy involved and then take a brief look at the mechanism of injury. The anterior cruciate ligament originates on the femur and is attached to the tibia. It crosses through the center of the knee. The function of the ACL is to prevent the tibia from sliding forward on the femur. A common cause of ACL tears is forced internal rotation of the knee, a situation that is most likely to occur in sports where shoes with cleats are worn, but can possibly occur in any active sport. Rotation injuries such as this also frequently occur in skiers. Other causes are a valgus stress with complete disruption of the medial collateral ligament and sudden deceleration or hyperextension injuries, such as may occur in running or jumping sports. Once the patient is discussed treatment options with the patient. In the case of a complete tear of the ACL, the patient basically has two options: change her lifestyle to accommodate her injury, or repair the injury to fit her lifestyle. From immediate injury to rehab, a post-operative brace can be a critical tool for the surgeon. After an analysis of the entire treatment cycle of an ACL injury, EBI has identified four primary needs of the market that are critical to the success of a post-operative brace. They are easy-to-set range of motion, automatic extension locking mechanism, adjustable length and strap placement, maximum stability. These needs provided the basis for the design of the EBI post-op bracing system. Every feature and component of the system has been designed to provide the best answer to the needs found in today's market. Let's take a look at the features of the EBI system and how each works to provide an ideal solution. The EBI post-operative bracing system represents an ideal balance of functional utility, ease of use, and aesthetic design. Each major component was designed to meet the needs of the market in the simplest and most effective way. The latest technology in 3D design was used to develop the system. Through the use of three-dimensional solid models and rapid prototyping technology, the design team at EBI was able to experiment with design improvements and variations. The result is a synergistic combination that provides the best possible solution. To meet the first need, easy-to-set range of motion, the EBI post-op bracing system utilizes a unique spin-set hinge. After the retainer clip is removed, the cover may be rotated toward the extension or flexion side of the hinge. The range of motion stop springs into the opening and is carried to the desired position by the cover. The stop is manually engaged by pushing it toward the center of the hinge and is held in place by the cover. The spin set hinge provides range of motion settings without the need for tools, allows easy viewing of degree markings through the slotted window, is easy to use. The EBI system includes a toggle lock extension locking system to easily accommodate full extension while weight-bearing protocols. When disengaged, the brace allows a full, unrestricted range of motion. When engaged, the leg is immobilized in full extension. The toggle lock is spring-loaded, so that if it is engaged while the patient is seated, it will automatically lock when the leg reaches full extension. The toggle lock system allows patients to easily engage or disengage extension locking dependent upon weight bearing. Automatically locks when the leg reaches full extension. When the patient moves into the rehab stage and a shorter brace is desired by the surgeon or therapist, length adjustment is necessary. The scored breakpoints on the hinge bars provide a simple and effective means of length reduction. The sliding bracket is first removed from the hinge. Then the hinge bar is placed on a table with the scored breakpoint aligned with the table's edge. Downward pressure is applied to the end of the bar until it snaps off. When the sliding bracket is returned to the hinge bar in its new position, it overhangs the breakpoint to protect against any rough edges. An additional breakpoint is included at the distal end to provide length adjustment when the patient is originally fitted. The sliding brackets also allow the surgeon to change the position of the strap. If the strap location is uncomfortable to the patient, it can be moved to the next indexed position. The paddle-style brace utilizes layered telescoping paddles that can be easily adjusted by simply loosening the thumb nut and sliding the paddles in the desired direction. Breakpoints and sliding brackets provide adjustable length for rehab and fitting, protection against rough edges, variable strap position. All of the features of the system contribute to the overall stability of the brace. However, two features in particular provide the basis for maximum stability. The anterior-posterior strapping system utilizes opposing straps that are rigidly attached to the sliding brackets. The result is a simple but highly stable configuration. The paddle-style brace utilizes thigh and calf paddles to provide a greater amount of soft tissue containment. By controlling the soft tissue, a high level of stability is attained. The EBI bracing system is designed with aesthetics in mind. It has an updated high-tech look compared to most of the competitive products on the market. It has been designed to appeal to the sports-minded patient. There are two strapping styles available, circumferential and anterior-posterior, as well as two styles of foam wraps, full and open. The circumferential strapping style is the most common style found in the market. It is also the easiest for surgeons and patients to apply. The AP strapping style is designed to provide opposing straps for maximum stability. Initial application takes longer than circumferential strapping, but the difference for patients is minimal during reapplication. Full foam wraps are the most common style wraps found in the market. They are the easiest to apply and tend to stay in place the best. Open foam wraps are the coolest for the patient because they allow maximum air circulation. Initial application takes longer than with full foam wraps, but reapplication for the patient is not significantly different. The unique features of the EBI post-op bracing system, as well as the variety of configurations offered, combine to create a product line that is second to none when it comes to providing effective product solutions to clinical needs. In today's market, the predominant method of product delivery is based on the treatment location. Products are sold to the surgeon or the hospital, and in turn, sold to the patient. Because of the high cost of stocking and billing for products, many surgeons have shifted product supply from themselves to the hospital. As a result, the patient frequently does not receive a postoperative brace or cold therapy unit until the post-op recovery stage. She is instead provided with a less expensive and temporary knee immobilizer at the initial time of treatment. Problems associated with this are twofold. One, the patient does not receive the benefit of cold therapy or the post-op brace until after the surgery is over. And two, the surgeon must frequently compromise on product selection because the decision has been transferred to the hospital staff or product selection committee. EBI's Support On-Site program provides products directly to the patient as they are needed. The program gives your surgeons the ability to provide their patients with the appropriate product at the earliest possible point in the treatment cycle. The patient benefits by receiving a post-op brace earlier and a cold therapy unit to help reduce pain and swelling. The surgeon and hospital benefit by not having to invest money in inventory. Additionally, the service aspect of dealing with one representative for the entire treatment package is a substantial benefit to the surgeon. In the traditional method of selling products directly to the surgeon or hospital, you must sell to multiple customers and against entrenched competitors in order to capture the available dollars for ACL procedures. The value of the sale is based on the list price of the products. In the SOS scenario, you are providing products for the entire treatment cycle and handling the billing instead of selling the products to the surgeon or hospital. The available commission dollars increase dramatically. Through this video, you have become familiar with the sports medicine surgeon, his patients and clinical needs, as well as the features of the EBI braces. This knowledge, combined with study of the written manual and your selling ability, will open a new lucrative market segment within your territory. The EBI post-op bracing system provides the ideal tool to complement and enhance the care surgeons provide their patients. It is yet another way that EBI works with our customers to provide the highest quality care. The EBI sports medicine products provide you with the tools to deepen your relationship with sports medicine surgeons in your territory.